Hello, this is Chris from MyCricketForum.com. Today we have the HTC Incredible 2 from Verizon. It's a global phone. We've actually already flashed it to Cricket on the $55 plan. We got talk, text, MMS, and internet working. I'm going to go through a few different things here. One's the battery. The battery that comes with the device is a 1450 milliamp hour capacity battery. One thing that we noticed is the 1500 milliamp hour battery from the Evo Shift also fits the device, so it's slightly bigger. We were told that there are probably some other batteries that will fit it also. Here's the back cover. We've noticed that there's some contacts on the back cover, and we don't think that that's just a sense if it's on or not. You can see the contacts there and there. There might be a antenna inside this, so it might be a kind of a special cover there. There's some contacts right here also that we noticed, but they don't match up with anything on the case. We don't know what that is for. It is a global phone. You can see the SIM card holder right there. Now, we will probably get an unlock code for this, which is available online. Some places you pay like $25 for them. So when we go out of the country, we'll be able to put some other carrier's SIM card in there. We might be able to put one from T-Mobile and AT&T, but sometimes they do still lock out local carriers. Here's some things that we bought from Best Buy because I didn't want to damage the device. This right here, this little silicone cover cost us $20.99. It fits pretty well. Does the job. I was told on this with a stock car mount from Verizon that it can't fit with any covers in it, so that kind of sucks. So I got a universal one, just clamps on the side. Also comes with a vent mount. I'm using the long flexible arm right now. That also costs us that cost us $24.99. The InvisiShield that we're about to install cost $20.99. Again, this was from Best Buy. You know, sometimes they're useful in a pinch. Their staff actually at this location was pretty knowledgeable, and I got to check out an HTC Evo 3D, which was pretty cool. Other than the box, it comes with just some literature. Talks also about the global plans, which we don't have to worry about because we won't be using Verizon. The USB charger kind of reminds me of the one that was included in the HTC Mogul, but it has a matte finish and not that clear plastic or dark plastic appearance that one did. Nice. Comes with a cord also. I thought one website said that it comes with global charging adapters, but we didn't see any. That's by receipt. Don't need that. This is actually the car mount from the Droid 2. We'll talk about that later. Here's the Zagg InvisiShield. Let's go ahead and install that. I've already washed my hands. Hopefully I don't have much oil on them. Just comes with one cover. And here's the spray solution. The bottle, I guess the bottle varies in size and look depending on what device you have. Here's the rubber squeegee. I keep this after you use it. It comes in handy if you ever need a little rubber squeegee. Most of these screen installation kits come with plastic, which can scratch the screen protector. Comes with a little clean cloth here that won't scratch the screen. I'd probably keep that too. I'd also keep this solution because if you ever come across another screen protector that you want to install, it is easy. Just dampen the whole entire rear side of any screen protector and then get the bubbles out. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the back cover on it just to add a layer of security so we hopefully don't get any water inside it. Let's clean it as good as we can. Visit mycricketforum.com to find out how to flash this device to Cricket and also for other Cricket information. Alright, it's pretty clean. They have instructions for this device, but we're just doing it the way that we found works best. 2 layers here. Go ahead and remove the outer layer. I think they'd say just spray the cover, but I find it pretty good to just dampen everything. These can also be found on eBay if you can wait that long. If you don't think you'll destroy your screen before then. And there's a little notch here, so I'm guessing that's for the front-facing camera. Honestly, the more water that's on here, the easier it is to move around. And just be careful that you don't get large amounts of liquid seeping into the gaps of the phone. Make sure that front-facing camera sensor isn't covered. I usually just go right down the middle and then try to brush out to the sides. The good thing about these covers is that they can kind of be reapplied. If you didn't quite get it right, you can usually pull up one side, dampen it again, and then start all over. Now some of these bubbles will go away later. You can keep on trying to do it until you achieve perfection, or something you can live with. For the video, we'll just do it once. If it becomes a big problem, I'll probably peel it off again. You can actually see that was off a little bit. And since there's so much liquid under it, I can just run my thumb over it and kind of push it to the desired spot. And this will all dry out and you won't be able to move it at that point. Hope my big head didn't get in the way. Let's go ahead and turn on the device. That would have been an epic fail if it hadn't turned on, huh? We'll probably talk more about this device in other videos. Just want to give you guys my first thoughts on it. It's nice. It has the same little indentation that the original Incredible did. Rear and front facing camera. Right now we have it on Wi-Fi. Let's go ahead and take it off. One of the things I don't like about being on 2.2 and the Sense 2.0 is that it doesn't have the same notification or status bar. You can see in the gingerbread version on this Droid 2, you can actually dismiss things individually. I really like that feature. When you dismiss things individually, you can leave calendar events sitting there in case you haven't been able to get around to a certain task, and you can dismiss everything else. But overall, the device is really nice. It's not slow. It doesn't lag. In future videos, we'll show you benchmarks. But that pretty much is the HTC Incredible 2 for Verizon Global Phone, fully flashed to Cricket, Talk Text Internet, MMS. Visit www.mycricketforum.com for more information.